Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to see sensitive content on Twitter. Now by default, all of the sensitive content such as violence and nudity will be blocked from your profile on Twitter. Now in order to unblock it and to be able to see all of those sensitive contents, you need to first toggle on an option. Now before I show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more interesting videos similar to this. Tap on your profile icon on the top left of the screen and then head over to settings and support and settings and privacy. Now a settings tab will open up from where you need to tap on privacy and safety, which is the fourth option from the top. After that, again a bunch of settings will open up. You need to head over to content you see. Now inside this option you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. Like I just said, by default this will be turned off. Now if you toggle this on, you can now see all of the sensitive content that may have been blocked previously. So that was the easy process on how to see sensitive content on Twitter. I hope you guys liked and found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be pretty much for this video, and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.